Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today I will teach you maths topic that is prime factorization. In my last video I told you regarding the prime numbers, that what are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. These are not coming in any other numbers table. So when we make factors of a number with the help of those prime numbers, then that is called prime factorization. Prime factors are made with the help of two methods. First is division method and second is factor tree method. Today in this video tutorial I will tell you regarding division method. In this method a number is written as a product. A number is written in the product of, and the product is written in the form of prime numbers. When a number is written as a product and in that product which numbers are written? Prime numbers are written. Those are called prime factors. Yes, this you can better understand with the help of one example. See here, what is the example? Find the prime factors of 16 using division method. As you know, division, it is clear from the name that with the help of division you have to find out the prime factors. Yes, we are having here example of 16. Yes, here how to find out the factors of 16. First of all, in rough work we will write prime numbers. Which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the prime numbers, and with the help of these prime numbers we will find out the factors. Yes, first the number that is given to us, that is 16. Yes, now division method is there, so we will do the division. Firstly, we will divide 16 by 2. As we know the divisibility rules, 16 is divisible by 2, so we will divide 16 by 2 and we will write like this. You can see the writing style also carefully. 16 divided by 2. When we will divide 16 by 2, what we will get? We will get 8. 8 as the quotient. So here we will write 8. Here every time we have to write the quotient. Yes, now 16 is divided by 2 and we got 8. Now next, this 8 will be divided by 2, because here the numbers which we are getting to be divide as the divisor we are getting here, these must be the prime numbers. Yes, so 2 is the prime number, so we are writing here 2. 8 is divisible by 2, so when you will divide 8 by 2, what you will get? We will get quotient as 4. So we will write here quotient as 4. Now next 4 is to be divided. 4 is to be divided with which prime number? First prime number, that is 2. 4 is to be divided by 2. When we will divide 4 by 2, then what quotient we will get? You can see here, when 4 is divided by 2, which quotient we got? We got 2. So here we will write 2. Firstly, 16 is divided by 2. Quotient we got 8. Then this quotient is next divided. This 8 is divided by 2. Then we got 4 as the quotient. Now this quotient is also will be divided by 2. Then 4 divided by 2, we got 2 as the quotient. Now this 2 will be divided by 2, because 2 is divided by 2 only. Yes, then we will get 1 as the quotient, and we have to now sum up our division. Why? Because we got 1 here. Yes, now how to write this? Now prime factorization of 16 is, these will be written as the product form. These will be written as in the product form. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. This we can also check. 2 2s the 4, 4 2s the 8, 8 2s the 16. Yes, now see one more example relating to this. Yes, use division method to find prime factorization. The number is 24. The number is 24. Here you can see 24 is divisible by 2 also and 3 also, but we will start from the smallest number, and firstly we will write the prime numbers. Which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. In this sequence we will do the division. Firstly we will divide the number by 2. If it is divisible by 2, firstly we will divide it by 2. Okay, after that if it is not divisible by 2, then we will divide it by 3. If it is not divisible by 3, then we will divide it by 5. If it is not divisible by 5, then we will divide by 7. Like this we will continue our division. Yes, now for the number that is to be made the factors, that is 24. Now you can see 24 is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. But here we will start with the small, that is 2. 24 divided by 2. When we will divide 24 by 2, what we will get? You can see here 2 ones are 2. Minus, after minus you are getting 0, and next digit is 4, 2 2s the 4. Yes, we got 12. Now this quotient we will write here. Now 12 is to be divided by 2. 12 is also divisible by 2 and it is also divisible by 3, but we will go with the small. Yes, 12 will be divided by 2. Then which quotient we will get? We will get 6. Yes, now this quotient will be further divided. 6 will be divided by 2. Then what we will get? We will get 3. Now this 3 is a prime number and the prime numbers are divisible by themselves only. So 3 will be divided by 3 and we will get 1 as the quotient. So we will write here 1. Yes, now see what factors you got. 2, 2, 2 and 3. These factors will be written in the form of multiplication, and you can see all these factors are prime numbers. 2 is prime number and 3 is also prime number. That's why these are called prime factors. Yes, we will write like this: 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2 is the 4, 4 2 is the 8, 8 3 is the 24. Yes. Now see next example. Find prime factors of 48 using division method. 48. Yes, firstly we will write prime numbers. Which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Yes, if the number is divisible by 2, we will divide it by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then we will divide it by 3, and like this we will further continue. Now you can see 48. As recalling the divisibility rule, we know that 48 is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. But we will go with the small. We will divide 48 by 2. So we will write 2 here. 48 divided by 2. Then which quotient we will get? See here, 48 divided by 2. Yes, 2 2 is the 4. 2 4 is the 8. So we got 24 as quotient. So here we will write 24. Now 24 is to be divided further. It is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. Yes, but we will go with 2. When we will divide 24 by 2, see what we will get. 24 divided by 2. 2 ones the 2. Next is 4. 2 2 is the 4. Yes, we got 12 as the quotient. Yes, so here we will write 12. Now 12 further divided by 2. Yes, now 12, when you will divide 12 by 2, 2 6 the 12. What quotient you got? 6. So here we will write 6. Now 6 is divisible by 2 again. When you will divide 6 by 2, 2 3 is the 6. We got 3 as a quotient. We got 3 as a quotient. So here we will write 3. Now 3 is a prime number, so it will be divisible by itself only. 3 will be divided by 3 and we will get 1 as a quotient. Now our division is over. Now we have got these prime numbers as the factors of 48. Now prime factors of 48. What are the prime factors of 48? It is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2 is the 4, 4 2 is the 8, 8 2 is the 16, 16 3 is the 48. So we got 48. Yes, now see one more example. that is find prime factors of 39 using the division method. So here 39 is there. Yes, we have written prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13, and here is 39. You can see here 39 is not divisible by 2. Let's recall the divisibility rule of 2, because in ones place if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, then that number is divisible by 2, and you can see here is 9, so it is not divisible by 2. Now we cannot divide this number by 2, so next we will divide it by 3. Yes, 39 is divisible by 3. How? 3 plus 9, when we will add the divisibility according to the divisibility rule, we will add the digits. 3 plus 9, 12, and 12 is coming in the table of 3. So 39 is divisible by 3. So we will divide 39 by 3. When you will divide 39 by 3, what quotient you will get? See here, 3 ones the 3. Yes, next is 9. 3 3 is the 9. Then what quotient you got? 13. Yes, here we will write 13. Now you can see in the prime numbers 13 is a prime number, and you know very well that prime numbers are divisible by themselves only. So we will divide 13 by 13. So what you will get? 1 as the quotient. So our division is over. Then what are the prime factors of 39? 3 multiply 13. 13 3 is a 39. Yes students, hope you are understanding this concept. Yes. Now see one more example. Here you can see a number is little bit large, but you can do it very easily. Yes, find prime factors using division method, and the number is 1024. Here you can see with the help of the divisibility rules that 1024 is divisible by 2, because one's place digit is 4. Yes, so we will divide it by 2. Now 1024 divided by 2. 2 zeros the 0, 1 minus 0, 1 will be there, next digit is 0, 2 5s the 10, then next digit 2, 2 1s the 2, then next digit 4, 2 2s the 4. So we got 512 as the quotient. So we will write here 512. Now 512 will be further divided. It is also divisible by 2, because one's place digit is 2. Yes, it will be divisible by 2. Now we will divide 512 by 2. So what quotient we will get? 2 2s the 4. Yes, 1. Next digit is 1. Now here is 11. 2 5s the 10. After subtraction we will get 1. Then next digit is 2. It has become now 12. 2 6 the 12. So we got, what quotient we got? 256. So here we will write 256. Now 256 is also divisible by 2. Yes, 256 when divided by 2, what we will get? See here, 256 divided by 2. Yes, 2 1s the 2. Next digit 5. 2 2s the 4. 1. Next digit 6. 2 8s the 16. Yes, we got 128. So here 256 divided by 2, we got 128. Now 128, it is also divisible by 2. We will divide it by 2. Now 2 zeros the 0. 1. Next digit 2. 2 6 the 12. Next digit 8. 2 4s the 8. So we got 64 as the quotient. 128 divided by 2, we got 64 as the quotient. Now 64 will be divided by 2. See what you will get? 64 divided by 2. 2 3 is the 6. 0. Then 4. 2 2 is the 4. Here we got 32. Now 64 divided by 2, we got 32. Now next is 32. Yes, 32 can also be divided by 2. When we will divide 32 by 2, what we will get? 2 ones the 2, next digit is 12, 2, it has become 12, 2 6 the 12. So we got 16 as the quotient. So 32 divided by 2, we got 16 as the quotient. And next 16 divided by 2, we will get 8 as the quotient. 8 divided by 2, we will get 4 as the quotient. Then 4 divided by 2, we will get 2 as the quotient. And 2 divided by 2, we will get 1. So here our division will last. Now what are the prime factors of 1024? So we will write prime factors of 1024. Yes, you can see here how many times 2 is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can see here 10 times 2 is there. Yes, so we can see 2 2s the 4, 2s the 8, 2s the 16, 2s the 32, 32 2s the 64, 64 2s the 128, 128 2s the 256, 256 2s the 512, 512 2s the 1024. Yes, you can see how we have got the prime factors. Yes friends, hope you have understood this concept. Do the practice of these sums. Have a beautiful day ahead.